Friends, today we will be learning types of sets. So first is singleton set, empty set or null set, finite set and infinite set. So what do you mean by a singleton set? A set which is having only one element in it. That is known as a singleton set. Okay? Empty set. So empty set which has nothing in it, that is known as an empty set. Or you can also show it by like this. लेकिन कुछ लोग खुद का दिमाग लगाएंगे, साथ में बैठेंगे, फुल कैसे? Something like this. ऐसा नहीं. Either you show it like this or like this. This is not allowed. Okay? So either you show it like this or like this. That is empty set or null set. Both will do. So then comes finite set. Okay, what some students think is कि भाई ये भी empty set है, इसमें केवल zero ही तो है. But it is not like that. Zero ही तो है मतलब zero is an element. So this is also not an empty set. This is also not an empty set. We will come to finite set. Okay, suppose we say the set of all numbers from 1 to 100. So it will start from 1. All natural numbers from 1 to 100. It will start from 1 and it will stop at 100. So that is finite set. Suppose we say a set of all even numbers from 2 to 200. So they will start from 2 and end at 200. So finite something. Now infinite, the set of all natural numbers. तो ये भाई जाएगा 1 to 1000 crores. It will never stop. So that is an infinite set. Okay, this was pretty easy. We will start with the exercise. So read the first question in your exercise. Exercise 1.2. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not, and justify your answer. So what are they given to us? A is equal to x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. तो उन्होंने कंडीशन क्या दिया हुआ है अपने को? 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 means only what? Let's solve here. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 1. Okay? Is there any other value of x which will satisfy this condition? No, only this value. So what we will write? X a is equal to 1. Okay? Now B, x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Now what is neither prime nor composite? It's only 1. So B भी 1 आया. Now see what they are saying. C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than 2. तो x belongs to natural numbers मतलब 1 से चालू होगा and it should be less than 2. तो C is also 1. देखो A भी 1 है, B भी 1, C भी 1 है ना. Therefore A, B, C are equal sets. Okay. Next question. Decide whether set A and B are equal. Give reason for the answer. Again, A is equal to even prime numbers. So A is equal to even prime numbers. 2 is the only even prime number because all the other even numbers they are all divisible by 2. 4, 6, 8. तो कोई भी even number prime नहीं होगा except 2. So here you have to write only 2. And B is equal to x such that B is equal to x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. So you have 7x minus 1 equal to 13 means 7x equal to 14. Again x is equal to 2. Correct? So B is equal to 2. So from 1 and 2 reason के लिखेंगे वो लोग बोल रहे हैं give reason for your answer. As the elements in the sets are equal, the sets are equal. Okay? Next, which of the following sets are empty sets? Why? So question number ये तुम्हारा 3. A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Okay? तो ऐसा कोई नेचुरल नंबर so they cannot be smaller than 0. तो therefore ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है, तो A is equal to empty set. Now B is equal to x such that x square is 0. See, B is equal to x such that x square is 0. किसका स्क्वायर 0 होता है? 0 का स्क्वायर 0 होता है, मीन्स B is equal to 0. तो ये एम्प्टी सेट है क्या रे बच्चे लोग? ये एम्प्टी सेट नहीं है, दिस इज एन एम्प्टी सेट. ये एम्प्टी सेट है क्या? नो. सो दिस इज नॉट एम्प्टी सेट. So what is the reason that it is not an empty set? It contains the element 0. उसमें 0 है, so you to write it contains the element 0. Therefore it is not an empty set. Let's move to the next. C is equal to x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. And x belongs to natural numbers. Now see carefully, they have given us two conditions, 5x minus 2 is 0 and x belongs to natural numbers. So 5x minus 2 को equal to 0 solve करेंगे, तो क्या मिलेगा अपने को? 5x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2 upon 5. ये आया, but is this a natural number? No, means this condition is getting satisfied if x is 2 upon 5. But this condition is not getting satisfied. Therefore, C में क्या आएगा? कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे नहीं ऐसा कैसे सर 2/5 आ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं. Both the conditions should get satisfied. तो अपने को x belongs to n भी होना चाहिए. This does not belong to natural numbers. Therefore, x नहीं आएगा. तो C is an empty set. Okay. Question number 4. Write with reasons which of the following are finite and infinite. Very easy it is. A is equal to, so you have A is equal to x such that x is less than 10. X is a natural number. Okay, so you have x such that x is less than 10. तो A equal to क्या आएगा? Natural number तो 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9, because x is less than 10. So this is a finite set. Correct? Now you have second, y such that b is equal to y such that y is less than -1. Y is an integer. ठीक है? So y is an integer and y is less than -1. So there are so many -2, -3, -4. All these are smaller than -1. तो ये तो infinite हो गया मेरे बच्चों. So this is an infinite set. Okay? Next. C. Set of students of class 9 from your school. This is finite. Infinite बच्चे थोड़ी है तुम्हारे स्कूल में. It's a finite set. Next. Set of people from your village. This is also finite. There are finite. We can count them. Next. Set of apparatus in laboratory. ये भी finite होता है. Set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers is infinite. Whole numbers will go on 10,000 crore, 80,000 crore, 100 crore, and it will go on. Then set of rational numbers. Rational numbers will also never get over. So this is also a infinite set. Okay? Thank you children.